Hi friends, so today we have an 18-liter ultrasonic cleaning machine with us. This is an industrial ultrasonic cleaning machine. As you can see, this is made out of stainless steel. The outer body of the tank is made out of stainless steel 304, whereas the working chamber of the machine is made out of stainless steel 316L. The machine here comes with a digital timer and a digital temperature controller. And this is the ultrasonic generator. The machine comes with a material handling basket. So you put your components inside this basket and then use this basket inside the ultrasonic cleaning machine for washing of the components. The machine comes with a top lid cover, which is also made out of stainless steel, as you can see, and it's a pretty heavy cover because it's an industrial grade ultrasonic cleaning machine. I hope you can see the shine on the machine. So this is because it is duly buffed. There's a passivation treatment which is done inside the machine that prevents the machine from getting rusted from inside over a long period of time. The machine comes with a built-in heater. You can see a heater down there. The machine solution can be heated for up to 80 degrees Celsius, and it can continuously run from 5 minutes to 14 hours depending upon your cycle time. So the working chamber of the ultrasonic cleaning machine is of 12 inches in length, 12 inches in width and 8 inches in depth. Here I've taken some stainless steel components inside the cleaning basket. The size of the cleaning basket is 11 inches in length, 11 inches in width and 6 inches in height. I'm going to put the component basket inside the ultrasonic cleaning machine and start the machine to give you a little perspective of how an ultrasonic cleaning machine works. But before that, let me just show you how to set the temperature and timer of an ultrasonic cleaning machine. So now this is the digital temperature controller of the ultrasonic cleaning machine. We have put in a solution, a chemical solution, along with some RO water inside the tank. Here you can see that the actual temperature right now is 38 degrees, but we have set the temperature for up to 40 degrees. So we can check it by pressing the square button. If you press it long enough, it is going to show you the set value, which is 40 degrees Celsius. And as soon as I release it, it is going to show me the actual value, which is 38 degrees Celsius. And here you can see that the selector switch is illuminated right now. It is turned on and it is illuminated. Once this temperature reaches 40 degrees Celsius, the light will go off, indicating that now your machine is ready to use at the set temperature that you want it to. Similarly, you can see the digital timer here. You can set the timer from this place. Just have to set the button, say 30 minutes or 14 or 15. Just press the reset button here, it becomes 15. This is all in minutes. You can go up to 999 minutes, which is roughly 14 hours of running, but usually a cycle should last between 5 to 15 minutes. Then you have a start button here and a fuse for safety purpose. And guys, this is our digital ultrasonic generator. This is the power modulation function. That means you can increase or decrease the power of ultrasonic depending upon the number of components that you put inside the machine. We usually prefer it on full power, but then if you have smaller components, you might want to save some energy there. So now I have placed the component basket inside the ultrasonic cleaning tank. Just to give you a brief again, this is our 18-liter ultrasonic cleaning machine. Comes with an ultrasonic power of 420 watts. I am going to start the machine right now and give you a little perspective of how it works. You can see the ultrasonic cavitation inside the tank. So we'll press the start button from here. has already been 15 minutes. This is how our components look right now. I'm going to take it out and show you how they look. So this is how the components look after cleaning now. To be honest, they were not really that dirty, but then you can see how the color of the water has changed. So I hope the video was informative enough. So this is one of our smaller ultrasonic cleaning machines. This is the 18-liter ultrasonic cleaning machine, and we have a range starting from 5 liters, can go up to 500 liters or even more. Do write down in the comments how you like this video. If you would want to know anything about cleaning of components using an ultrasonic cleaning machine, do write back to us in the comments, and check out our website www.rktransonic.com. I'll give the details in the description below. Thank you.